Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2007 Hyundai Skt-21Lms. It has a FANUC 0ITC control. It's got a sub-spindle, live tooling, C-axis, has touch setter. I have a parts conveyor here as well for the parts catcher on the sub-spindle. The machine has a bar feed also. First thing we'll jog. It's your Z-axis. Nice and quiet. X also nice and smooth. Index of turret. Then you have the C-axis over here. Okay, now we'll run the spindle. That's 500 RPM. That's 1500. That's 2500. All right, now we'll do the live tooling on the turret. That's 500. That's 1500. That's 2500. Then we have over here your sub spindle. That's 500 on the sub spindle. That's 1500. That's 2500. That's 3500. And we can also jog that. Sub spindle has a collet nose on it now. And that basically does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.